Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, and then accent it in the background. In order to do that with quickest navigation, click on this square button. Then hold your app and click on this icon with the rectangles at the top. Now you can select the other one from your background apps, or just click on Home button and pick any other one from your device. I will go with Gallery. As you can see, finally I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!